I'm Brenda Herrera, Dr. Herrera Reid. I am from Michigan. I practice in the Ann Arbor area. And I was interested in healing. I feel like this is somewhat healing for women, out of the hospital, making them feel good inside and out. In the last 3 days, my experience, I would say, has been fabulous. I mean, I've loved every single part of it. I'm so satisfied with the whole experience. I mean, the lectures were amazing. I would say even before I came here, I really studied all the people that were the presenters that were going to speak. And I was just so impressed with the quality, their CVs, how prepared they are. I knew that I was going to come to world-class lectures. And once I got here and I was going through the whole program, I was not disappointed. It exceeded my expectations, actually. I got to meet a lot of people here, actually people from where I'm from, where my family lives in California. So I feel like you also establish a lot of connections, and that's really important, and you develop really important friendships, relationships. Even the lectures were very interactive. They're very entertaining. I did not feel bored at all in the whole 3 days, even though, they're long days, but I was engaged. And we had a cocktail party, and that was so much fun. It was so much fun to get to mingle with everyone and get to talk and meet everyone. It was awesome. I think is really unique from this training is that we got to see other techniques out of the U.S., things that are being done differently. And the speakers also, they were from different parts of the countries, really. So I think that was just really, really amazing.